Okay, my friend's cat likes birds, so he's just sitting here looking for a bird to chase. Well, a couple minutes ago, he ran up here to
Ow!
try to
He
jump.
broke the piece of line off,
Yeah,
guys.
he broke that piece of line.
God, this cat is mean. Are you gonna go to the block? He actually jumps off the swing door. He just like.
Get a Panda. Get a Panda. Get a
Well, shark faces at the end, I guess.
Panda.
What?
Okay.
Maybe show my face. Look, fucking John Tatum. Mother, John Cena. Mother Blocker. What if we actually got money? That would be.
If you can see, there's birds just chilling
Comment
there.
below. Let's see.
Okay, wait. 1 minute and 5 seconds to see if I can get 200,000 likes
No, we can't go for 200,000.
and subscribe.
Like and
Subscribe, like and subscribe,
And ring the bell.
and ring the bell. Our friend challenged us to see if we can get 200,000 likes
in at least 3 days.
in at least 3 days. So please help us.
Please help us out with it.
It's the only thing we can find.
And guys, I made this morning.
And if you like it, you're awesome. And if you like it, I'll like your videos. If you follow, I'll follow your videos. If you subscribe, I'll subscribe you. Just keep that in mind.
Okay. Can I show my face yet?
That's my friend Gage.
Oh, stop. Okay, so.
And this is me, Dustin. So,
Oh, let me show my guns off.
this is my friend Brian.
He's too addicted to games.
Yeah,
Oh.
Roadblocks.
Hey, Dustin,
Zombie
let me show my
Rush.
guns off. Zombie attack.
Zombie
Let's show
attack.
my gun- Hey, Dustin, let me show these guns
These
off.
little bitty guns, he go pinch.
No, actually, ow! You asshole! Yes! God!
Ah! He's ugly. Ow!
Yeah,
no,
ugly too.
no stabbing.
When are you gonna get me my girlfriend? You're out of
Can't get a girlfriend yet.
Fine.
Too little. See a Panda?
Hey guys, and he had sex before. No, JK.
It was JK. Oh, that's Panda.